Hello all friend, today we are teaching you how to install Artcam software for our CNC router machine. Click Setup, install it now. But now, it needs you install dongle, please click No. Finished installation. But now you cannot open, because there are no software key. So, find the location you installed. Look, here is installed location as C disk. But now, you need to go the Artcam location we gave you the software. You need to find the key. Look, here is the software key. Copy it. You need to copy it to the installed Artcam software location. Here is Artcam installed location. Paste it. So now, you can open it. Now, let me teach you how to create a simple cutting file. This is for setup size, length and width you want to cut. Now, we type this letter and design it. Here is important, look, there has many for choose 2D engraving, 3D engraving, but now, I try to create cuts. Here is the cutting deep. This is safe distance, normal is 8. Here is for choose CNC bits. There are many different CNC bits for you choose. Now we choose cutting bits. This is materials thickness for cutout. Now click create. Look, the cutting file has been created. Look, very important, now save the file. Find this is for our CNC router machine. Now, save the file, output to CNC machine, Studio Control software. So it will be working.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.